Have you ever wondered how to make passive income through Instagram? Well, you're not alone. With over 1 billion active users, Instagram offers a unique opportunity to build a substantial following and generate passive income. Let's dive into the steps to get started. The first step is picking your niche. This should be something you're passionate about or have expertise in, but also something that has the potential for a substantial following and monetization. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. This includes captivating images, videos, and captions. Remember, consistency is key to building a loyal audience. Now, growing your following is the next vital step. Utilize relevant hashtags, collaborate with influencers in your niche, engage with your audience, and promote your Instagram on other platforms. With a solid following, you can start to monetize your account. This can be done through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, selling digital products, dropshipping, selling your merchandise, starting a members-only community, or even through Instagram's ad revenue sharing program. Engagement is key to successful monetization. Always interact with your followers, respond to comments and messages, and build a strong community. Make sure to analyze your Instagram performance regularly. This will help you understand what content works best when your audience is most active and which products or services are generating the most revenue. To make your income truly passive, consider using tools to automate and schedule posts. This will allow you to maintain an active presence without having to be constantly glued to the platform. Remember, compliance is crucial. Always follow Instagram's guidelines and regulations, especially when it comes to sponsored content and affiliate marketing disclosures. And don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income streams and don't rely on just one method for generating revenue. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Building a substantial following and generating passive income takes time, but with dedication, consistency, and a willingness to adapt to changes, you can create a valuable source of revenue over time. In a nutshell, creating passive income through Instagram is a process that involves choosing the right niche, creating quality content, growing your following, utilizing effective monetization strategies, engaging with your audience, analyzing your performance, automating your activities, staying compliant, diversifying your income streams, and being patient and persistent. It's not a guaranteed way to make passive income, but with the right approach and effort, it can become a significant part of your revenue over time. So why not give it a shot? Have you found this video helpful? If so, show your support by hitting that like button. It really makes a difference. And don't keep all this valuable information to yourself. Share it with friends, family, or anyone else you think could benefit from the insights we've shared today. Remember, success doesn't happen in isolation. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more insightful content planned, designed to help you navigate the world of passive income and online entrepreneurship. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.